Hey friends, a little update on the puzzle box. The Pentagon puzzle box currently only has 3 sides and not 5. But I do have it on this nice little bearing so that I can work on it and eventually make it easier to solve. And I'm going to show you the Dowel puzzle right now. So obviously these dowels look mostly alike except for that one. And if you press on any of them, basically nothing happens. But if you press on this one, it pops out. You can kind of hear the snap back there. So this is just, looks like kind of a cool engraved piece of wood, a little dowel, but it's actually quite a strong magnet. So I'm going to leave that there for now. And the only other dowel that moves is actually this one. So that presses in and pops out this one. It's like kind of like a little wooden bolt. And it has a pin in it, which you can't remove, but you have to. So you got to use that. And the object is to get all 3 pins that exist out here. That's pin number 2. Pin number 3 is a little trickier because at this point none of the other dowels move. So you got to take your magnet and fetch this guy out. But it doesn't come all the way out. So the way this part actually works is you can hear when I turn it, something's going on behind the panel. And what's actually happening is you have to figure out that you have to retrieve whoops, I did drop it, but you have to retrieve this guy out of there. So there's a little arm that when you pull the dowel out allows you to knock loose this pin and you get number 3.